Yay, all of them have been named except for these two. If you would like to partake in naming my lavender plant and my mystery plant, then please do. 皆さんこんにちは。On the World Stage チャンネルにお帰り。初めて見る人がいたら、私の名前はマリエルです。日本に住んでいますよ。Hello everyone and welcome back to On the World Stage. If you're new here, my name is Marielle and I live in Japan. So this week, Tsuyu or rainy season began in Japan. To be honest, I don't know if there's anyone who likes rainy season, but I really don't like it. Last year, I actually went back to America during rainy season because I just didn't want to be here for it. But this year I am in Japan, so I have to endure the rainy season once again. I originally had some plans with my friend to go see hydrangeas today, or ajisai, but actually because of the rain we decided to postpone, and I am here in my apartment instead. But have no fear, it is okay. So I thought I would make a vlog today of what I do on a rainy day at home. Everything that I have to do today is located in my apartment. I'm going to be doing some gardening on my balcony, some cooking, some studying for the JLPT exam because that is coming up really fast. Oh, by the way, today is Sunday, June 11th. So actually one of my YouTube videos is premiering today, so I'm also going to watch that. Anyway, the first thing I want to do is make a dessert. My friend gave me this kit to make matcha panna cotta, and it takes a few hours in the refrigerator to settle, so I want to make that now, so maybe I can eat it tonight. Let's go to the kitchen and do that first. Hello again. So we are in the kitchen. These are my sweets, the matcha, why did I just say matcha? Matcha panna cotta. Yeah, it looks pretty easy. I'm going to be using soy milk instead of regular milk. That's just my preference. Hopefully it still works. Yeah, I guess we'll find out later if it works, but should be fine. I'll update you later. You just put 80 grams of the powder to 200 milliliters of milk and mix that up, and then put it into little cups and put it in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 hours. So let's get started. Hello again. So I finished making my panna cotta. I put them in the fridge. That recipe made 4 of them. So they're in the fridge. I topped them with some kinako powder. So yeah, I thought that would taste good. I really like kinako. I think that they will be ready by the time I watch my YouTube premiere. So when I watch my YouTube premiere, I can enjoy a panna cotta. The next thing I have to do today is garden. So if you follow me on Instagram, you may know about my new obsession with gardening on my balcony. So yeah, these are my plant babies and I've been taking care of them. What we need to do today is transfer my mint plants and one of my basil plants to like a new soil and pot and add some fertilizer. So yeah, this might take a while, but I'm going out on the balcony and I'm going to get gardening. So yeah, let's go out there. So I've been eating a lot of golden kiwi lately, so I've been saving the peels, and then when I am gardening, I put the peels into the soil. It's really good for the soil. It's good natural fertilizer. So yeah, I recommend doing this if you eat a lot of fruit. After I garden, I actually want to write nameplates for my plants. So usually people are writing like what the plant is, but actually I named the plants. So I'll write their names here and yeah, it'll be cute. So let's do it. So I forgot to introduce one of my plants. This is my chamomile plant. I'm growing chamomile now. I want to use it for tea. Actually, I use the mint for tea already. And they're just starting to sprout. Like I see some green coming in, so I'm really excited. This is my cilantro or pakchi plant. And yeah, I don't see anything sprouting yet, but hopefully soon. So as you could probably see, gardening on your balcony is not the cleanest activity. Of course, like it's not the outdoors, it's not a yard. I have a mini vacuum cleaner and then wipes, and I just clean up after I do it. Now, of course, we need to take care of the plants. So, just a little bit of water. Can anyone tell me, like, what is the name of this plant? And should it be in a bigger pot? I'm not sure. I still have it in the... Oh, I should have repotted that one too. I didn't realize I still had it in the original pot. I'll have to do that next time. Yeah, okay. I might need to move around a bit. If you look here at my chamomile, I have some little green ones. I'm so excited. I want to use it for tea. And my mint is so lovely. My mint plants, I love them. I need to make sure I don't pick them too much though, because I've been eating a lot of mint, drinking a lot of mint tea. So I want to let them breathe today. I'll try not to pick too many leaves. Hello. So one more task before I eat lunch. I'm going to write the names of my plants. Now, not all of my plants have been named, so this is your chance to name 2 of my plants. So the plants that do have names are the tomato plants and the mint plants. Those were on Instagram. People suggested on Instagram. My friend Hika named the tomato plants Toma and Mato. And then my friend Katerina named the mint plants Tick and Tack, which is a really popular brand of mints. My mom named both of the basil plants. She wanted me to name them Basil and Rathbone. Basil Rathbone is the name of an actor who played Sherlock Holmes. The plants that do need names are my lavender plant and my other plant, which I don't know the type of plant, so please tell me if you would like to name them. Please comment below. So here they are with their nameplates. Okay, all of them have been named except for these 2. These 2. If you know what kind of plant this is, please tell me. If you would like to partake in naming my lavender plant and my mystery plant, then please do. Hi, so I need to eat lunch. I'm going to be doing a very simple lunch today. It's yuzu and daikon cold noodle soup because it's a hot day. Even though it's a rainy day, it's a hot day. And yeah, so I'm just gonna eat some simple udon with this Muji kit. I love Muji. So many things in my home are from Muji. Let's make this. Hello, so I ate my lunch. As I mentioned earlier, I am taking the JLPT exam in July. It's coming up very fast in only 3 weeks, so I'm feeling a lot of pressure. And one of the most difficult aspects of the exam. One of the most difficult aspects of the exam for me is grammar. So I'm going to be studying some grammar today. It's much needed. I need to brush up on the Japanese grammar in order to pass this exam. So let's see. So it is almost time to watch my premiere, and I'm going to make some yomogi-cha, and I will try my panna cotta. So let's see how the panna cotta came out. Okay, so here is the panna cotta with the kinako on top. And yeah, the kinako actually stayed nicely. It didn't get wet or anything. So yeah, now I just need a little spoon. One of my mini spoons, and Yeah, let's take this over. Hello everyone, so before my video starts, I think in 2 minutes, let's try the panna cotta. Itadakimasu. It tastes really good, even using soy milk. So if you're non-dairy, I'm not non-dairy, but I just, when I have the choice, prefer to have soy milk. And yeah, it came out really good. We have different communication styles, but just find the people that feel good. Don't overthink friendship so much. 皆さん、こんにちは。On the World Stage チャンネルにお帰り。初めて見る人がいたら、私の名前はマリアルです。日本に住んでいますよ。So, I have to remind everyone to put on Japanese subtitles. I have Japanese subtitles, they're just not written on the screen automatically. So please turn them on. It's for aesthetic purposes that I don't put them on the screen. Flavor, right? So a lot of different brands of ice cream. There's so much Haagen-Dazs in Japan. I moved to Japan when I was 21. I had just finished university. I graduated 1 year early. ありがとうございました。またね。Hello everyone! So I just finished watching my vlog and I decided that I'm going to end this vlog as well because I need to continue studying, and honestly filming while studying is a bit distracting, so I really need to focus. And later I'm just going to cook in peace because today I was filming everything I was doing, so sometimes I need a break too. Hope you understand. Thank you so much for your support. If you would like, please subscribe to my channel. It helps me so much. I noticed that 80% of the people watching my videos did not subscribe. So imagine if that 80% subscribed. Imagine what we would be able to do. We would be able to travel all over Japan and film vlogs of all these different prefectures. So that's my dream and I really want to achieve it. Subscribing and liking helps so much, so please do. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Arigatou gozaimashita. Mata ne.